I cannot believe this. Okay, so the car won't start. Like, it doesn't even crank. But I have power. I don't know, I mean like everything. Like, I don't know. We'll see what it is. It's getting towed to a Firestone. We'll see what the problem is. Since we dropped it off, and hopefully, should be, oh. Yeah, but it ended up being a safety neutral switch, not a starter. Yeah, anyone else that has this problem, it could be that. Okay, so I take back everything I just said. Who knows what the problem is anymore. I got less than a mile away and they're back. So whatever they changed obviously wasn't the problem. Right after I filmed that clip, the car doesn't start anymore. So now we have paid Firestone $870, replaced a switch, claimed it starts now, which it did for, what was that, 3 starts total? 3 starts total. And at least now it's in my garage. Since the car wouldn't start, I went up and picked up this relay. I'm gonna try this. If this doesn't work, then we're gonna tow it to the dealer, have them figure it out. This was only like 20 bucks. Let's see. Are you ready? 1. Well, that was anticlimactic. It was worth a try. So we still don't know what's wrong. It is time for the tow truck, and it started. I have no clue what this could be. This is the craziest thing ever. I can't make this up.